Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to post photos and videos on Threads. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to launch or open your Threads account. But before posting any photos or videos on Threads, you have to make sure that you have adjusted the settings on your phone. So to do that, go to your settings and then scroll down, go to app management, go to app list, and then look for threads. You can scroll down or you can simply search the application right here. So you can type threads, and then after that, the application will show up, and all you have to do is to tap that one. Okay, tap threads, and then here you have to go to permission. Now you have to allow the storage and camera. Once done, exit, go to threads, click this pencil icon here, and then you can start a thread. So you can just simply caption something or type something and then import that photo or video here. You can add a thread, okay? So you can start a thread after a thread. So you can add photos and videos here. And you can also select if you want anyone to see this or profiles you follow or mention. So everything is up to you. Now you can add something with just tapping this paperclip and then you can post your thread. You can tap view or you can go to your profile to see the result. And that's it. That's how easy it is to post photos or videos on Threads. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.